Namaste friends, Sarvesham Swagatam. Today 19th shloka of Sri Ramaraksha Stotram. Sharanyau sarvasatvanam Shreshthau sarvadhanushmatam Rakshah kulanihantaro Trayetam no Raghottamau. Sarva Satvanam, to all animals and beings. Sharanyau, refugee, who give the shelter to all beings. Shreshthau, great. Dhanushmatam, in archery, who are the expert in archery. Rakshas, demon. Kulanihantaro, destroyers, who are the destroyers of demons family. Trayetam, may protect. No, naha, us, drop of visarga sandhi. Raghottamau, who are the noblest among Raghu race. Raghu uttamau. The two, Rama and Lakshmana, who are the great among Raghu race, may protect us. ಎಲ್ಲ ಜೀವಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಆಶ್ರಯದಾತರಾದ, ಧನುಷ್ಯ ಪ್ರಯೋಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠರಾದ, ರಾಕ್ಷಸರ ಕುಲವನ್ನು ನಾಶ ಮಾಡಿದ, ರಘುವಂಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠರಾದ ರಾಮ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣರಿಬ್ಬರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಿಸಲಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.